Happy Friday, kings and queens. Today is September 8th and it's about 1:30. Today we're going to pick some tomatoes and cucumbers and zucchini and whatever else we can find. There's a lot of things out there that I'm going to be picking today, and I want to bring you along with me. These are not ready yet. They're a little bit too small, so they should be ready in a few days. Let's see what we can harvest today. These are just some extra plants that I have on the deck. These are late bloomers. I'm not sure if I'll get anything from these. We'll see. And here we have some other tomato plants. They're not as big as the ones downstairs. Okay, so these are the vines that belong to the cantaloupe, the pumpkin, and the honeydew melons. Let me show you. They just took over the whole garden. They're going all the way down and connecting themselves to the tomato plants. But let me show you. If you can see down there, there's a big cantaloupe down there. It's underneath that. Hold on one second. Let me show you. So bear with me as I show you. They're hanging all over the place. There's a nice cantaloupe right there, if you can see it. And we have another one here. These are cantaloupes, they're not ready yet. They grew outside the gate. Thankfully, I hadn't had any deer or any other creatures to come devour them. They just don't come down this way. Thankfully, this was a good spot to plant this. And we gotta go way over there to pick all the tomatoes, cucumbers, and zucchinis. So let's start harvesting. These are cantaloupes, they're not ready yet. They grew outside the gate. Thankfully, I hadn't had any deer or any other creatures to come devour them. They just don't come down this way. Thankfully, this was a good spot to plant this. And we gotta go way over there to pick all the tomatoes, cucumbers, and zucchinis. So let's start harvesting. So we have quite a few variety of tomatoes that are ready. These are San Marzano tomatoes, heirloom tomatoes. We have lots of cherry tomatoes and grape tomatoes galore. I don't know if you can see back there. They're all over the place. And we have an abundance of these small pear-shaped, kind of like cherry tomatoes, grape tomatoes. There are so many. So we gotta pick them. We gotta pick all of this. Okay. Guys, look at the size of this zucchini. There, hanging on the opposite side. We got another one right there. We have a lot of stuff to pick today. Small zucchini going there. Look at the size of that heirloom. Huge. And here's another one. Oh no, those are the San Marzano. Another heirloom. just twisted this off. I needed both hands. I have a camera in one hand and vegetables in another. Look how big this tomato is. Heirloom. This is all an organic garden. Started from seed. 80% of it. This huge zucchini up. Look at the size of this. There's quite a few more zucchini in here. There's a little one over there. And there's cucumbers. Let's get them. There's another one hiding down here. Okay, kings and queens, this is what we've yielded today. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zucchinis, different sizes. We have some cucumbers, or if you notice, getting a little smaller. That little one there is a Kirby pickle that's usually used for pickling, but I like to eat them like that. And then we have some heirloom tomatoes and San Manzano Italian tomatoes, and we have these small cherry or grapevine tomatoes. This is massive. There's so much in here. It's massive. And then we have some of those pear-shaped cherry / grape tomatoes. These are delicious though. I think I'm gonna make me a tomato and cucumber sandwich with some onions and peppers and all of that good stuff. I gotta wash these off. God is good.